review on the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Foundation. If you want to see how I achieved this look, then please keep watching. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave me a comment down below if you have used this foundation before. Thank you guys so much for watching. Now let's get right in the video. Milani. So this is the Milani 2-in-1 foundation. It's a concealer plus foundation. Looks like this. I picked up the shade Chestnut, which is 13. It has a pump, which is what I really love about foundations. And then that is what she looks like. So I'm gonna first use the Milani Mills Bronze Glow on my face before I use the foundation. I'm going to be using my beauty sponge. Use this side and see. Oh, that seems to be my shade. Good. Alrighty. Seems to be my shade. I love the finish of this foundation. It's not a full, it's not really matte, it's just a very soft matte look that it's giving me, and I really like that. So I'm gonna continue with the rest of my makeup and I'll be back. So what I was trying to tell you about the sponges is this one is an e.l.f. blending sponge. Like, it doesn't rip off. I've watched it like so many times and it's still the same way I picked it up. This one is from Real Techniques, and y'all, this is just after one time of washing this. And look at that. Y'all, just look at that. And see, I just brought it out to show you guys, if you're looking out for a really good beauty blending sponge, then the e.l.f. one is the way to go. And this one is very affordable for this one. This one, it's pricey, so I really love this one. This is how my look turned out. I have a few places that I have to go. When I return, I'm gonna give my review on the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Foundation. See you guys when I return. Hi guys, welcome back. So this is how I look 4 hours after applying the foundation. I didn't have it for a long time. I just wanted to come and share my review because I'll be busy doing other things. So I did touch up my face just a little bit. I forgot and I touched up my face, but it was just with a tissue paper, and this is what my face looked like. I did not touch up my face with any powder or anything like that. So this is what my face looked like 4 hours after applying this foundation. I'm gonna read out what it claims on the bottle. It says it's medium to full coverage, which is true. It says it's lightweight, true. It says it's long wear, water resistant, and sweat proof. For that, I didn't wear it until the point where I started sweating. I don't know if it's sweat proof, but I'm sure that it is lightweight and it is medium to full coverage. I actually feel it has this satin finish when I apply the foundation. I really do like the look of it on my skin. Like, I was blown away by this foundation because it costs only $10, and this foundation right here is a very, very good foundation, and I highly recommend it to you guys because I really love the finish of the foundation. It's lightweight. The only thing I noticed is the foundation did not really cover all the hyperpigmentation that I have. I used this foundation once before and it didn't cover, so I had to color correct my skin before I go in with this foundation. If your hyperpigmentation is not as dark as mine, this foundation would cover if you do 2 pumps, like if you do like a second layer. But if you have really dark hyperpigmentation or really dark spots, this foundation will not cover your dark spots. You might have to color correct your skin before. I'm going to buy this foundation again because I love how lightweight it felt on my skin. It didn't feel like I have makeup on, except if I look on my face to see that, yeah, I look good and something is like different on my skin. But it doesn't feel heavy. It felt lightweight, and it does have a scent to it. I don't know, like, it's a scent, but it's not hard or any overpowering scent. It's just a scent that comes with makeup. I don't know how to describe it, but that's it. So if you guys want to try out this foundation, then definitely go to your drugstore and get this foundation. If you have tried it before, let me know in the comment section below. Like, leave me a comment down below if you have tried this foundation, if you like it or how you like it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below. Bye.